Morning everyone, good morning everyone. The day has just begun, the day has just begun. I like to see your smiling face, I like to see your smiling face. Good morning everyone, good morning everyone. Good morning children.
Good morning, teacher.
Welcome to Melu classroom. So children, today I am going to teach you a new number. Want to see what is that number? So let's see. This is the number. And you know children, what is this number? This is number 1. What is this number children?
One.
Number 1. And to count number 1 on your fingers, you need to count like this. 1. This is number 1.
One.
And you know children, we have only one nose. Yes children, you all have one nose, right?
Yes.
And we have only one head. What is this? Head, right? So we have only one head.
Yes.
To know what is number 1, so children, now I'll tell you a small story on number 1. So let me introduce a little boy and his name is Abhi. One day Abhi went to the market and has purchased so many things. Yes, his bag is full of so many things. So on his way, Abhi was returning to his home after purchasing all the things from the market. While returning to his home, Abhi saw one tree. So children, how many trees are there here? One tree. And Abhi also saw one sun in the sky. Yes children, we have one sun. And Abhi has also seen one cloud in the sky. Yes children. So after returning to, Abhi has returned to his home. And let's see what all did he purchase from the market. So children, you all are waiting to see what did he purchase from the market.
Yes.
So let's start. Abhi has purchased one book. What is this children? Abhi has bought one book. And Abhi has bought one pencil. How many pencils we have? One pencil. And Abhi has bought one sharpener. Yes children? Sharpener. And he also bought one eraser. He also bought one eraser. Abhi has bought one pen. How many pens are there children? One pen. And you know children, Abhi is a very good boy. Why you know? Because he has bought fruits. We should eat fruits daily, right? Eat a fruit daily and keep a doctor away. So we have to eat fruits daily to stay healthy. So Abhi has bought one watermelon. So how many watermelons are there children? One watermelon. And he has also bought one apple. And he has bought one orange. Yes children, he is a very good boy because he has bought fruits for to eat. Yes, and Abhi also bought a ball children. Yes, Abhi has bought one ball because he loves to play with a ball. Yes, very good. So Abhi has bought book to write, a sharpener, an eraser, a pencil. Abhi has bought so many things, right children? So he has bought one book, one pencil, one sharpener, one eraser, one pen, one watermelon, one apple, one orange and one ball. Abhi is a very good boy because he has bought books, pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener for him to study, yes, and write. And he has bought a ball to play and fruits to eat. So, Abhi is a very good boy. Yes, children? Did you all enjoy the story? Yes. So, now let's sing a song on number 1. So, children, we have learned number 1. Yes, and we have learned to count number 1 and using different things. Yes, so now let's sing a song on number 1. Are you ready? Who all want to sing the song along with me? Come on, come on. Yes, so get ready to sing the song. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Now it's on your head, head. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Now it's on your nose, nose. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Now it's on your chin, chin. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Now it's on your arm, arm. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point your finger up, point your finger down. Now it's on your head, head. Now it's on your nose, nose. Wow, it's on your chin, chin. Now it's on your arm, arm. Hey! Did you all love singing this song? Yes. So, you need to sing this song and practice at your home singing with your parents. Yes, children? So, sing this song and learn number 1. Children, now let's practice writing number 1 in the air. Yes? So, number 1 is very simple to write. Yes, children? Yes. And I'll show you how to write number 1 in the air. Choose a point and draw a standing line. Yes, this makes number 1. Number 1 is very simple, no children? Yes, so we'll do it again. Take a point and draw a standing line. Yes, this makes number 1. And I have a song for you to sing while writing number 1. I'll tell you. So, we have done air writing and now let's trace number 1 on the board singing a song. Yes, children? So, first I'll tell you the song. Number 1 is like a stick, a standing line very quick. Yes? So, let's trace here and sing together. Number 1 is like a stick, a standing line very quick. Yes, children? We'll sing once more. Number 1 is like a stick, a standing line very quick. We'll do it again. Number 1 is like a stick, a standing line very quick. Hey! So, we all learned to trace number 1 on the board. Yes? Now, let's do an activity. Children, now we'll do an activity of making number 1 using the Play-Doh. Yes? To make number 1, first you need to take a small piece Play-Doh. Yes, small ball of Play-Doh and make it into a ball. Yes? Now place this Play-Doh on the table and then roll it. Yes, roll it. Roll with your fingers. Yes, to make a line. And now if I place this as a standing line and it makes number 1. Yes, children. So we have made number 1 using the Play-Doh. You also practice making number 1 at your home using this Play-Doh. Children, I'll give you a small homework. Okay, are you ready to do? Yes. So you need to identify what is that which is a number 1 that shines bright in the sky at night. Yes, children, did you got my question? What is that which is a number 1 which shines bright in the sky at night and it is in round in shape? Yes, children? Yes. So, you need to identify what is that and come back to my next class. That's all for today's session. See you later. Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.